Hello everyone, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for more. New 2022 Hot Wheels Car Culture Series. As a Auto Strasse, you can pre-order this set from onestopdiecast.com and mngtoysinc.com. Links in the description, so let's check it out. Our first car is a 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. A beautiful luxury sedan in metallic sparkling paint job with silver bumpers, green rims with some curtain effects on windows. The first car released by Hot Wheels back in 2020 in metallic black paint job with chrome bumpers. The original car looks like this but in black paint job. A BMW M3 in red paint job with black interior, detailed headlights, tail lights with 10-spoke chrome wheels. This car was released back in 2020 Fast and Furious Urus series in white paint job with 10-spoke blue wheels. Real cars looks like this. A Lamborghini Urus, this time in orange, in sparkling paint job with 5-spoke black wheels. A sleek black striping on doors, with detailed headlights and tail lights. The real car looks like this. A 1973 Volvo 142 GL, a new casting by Hot Wheels, in a sparkling blue paint job with 6-spoke chrome rims, detailed grills, headlights, tail lights with black glass. The original car looks like this. A brand new Alpine A110 in beautiful rally theme based in different colors as blue, black, red and white with 10-spoke black rims with detailed headlights and tail lights with 31 number stickering on hood. This car was back released in 2019 as in mainline as factory fresh. The real car looks like this but in different livery.
La vitesse.
A chase car for this set is a 1973 Volvo 142 GL in completely blacked out, in black paint job, 5-spoke black wheels, black windows with detailed headlights and tail lights, with side silver cladding on doors. Let's check a Hot Wheels 2023 upcoming updates. So our first car is a 1986 Toyota van as a recolor, this time in cream body with brown bumpers and disc wheels. A Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo in mainline as a recolor in red paint job with black roof and 5-spoke blackout rims. A 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 as in mainline in sparkling green paint job with some side racing decals and 10-spoke black rims. A Hot Wheels McLaren P1 has a mystery model in mint color paint job with detailed headlights, tail lights, some blackout effects on car. A Lotus Esprit S1 will be in mainline, this time a recolor in a black paint job with some side decals and 5-spoke grey rims. A 2023 Nissan Z will be in mainline, in sparkling blue paint job with detailed headlights and tail lights, with plastic black rooftop and blacked out rims. A new monster truck set for 2022 by Hot Wheels, a Land Rover vs Mercedes 2-pack set. Hot Wheels N-Case Zemek cars. Our first car is a Batmobile with disc rims. A 2006 Pontiac GTO in 5-spoke blue rims with some Pontiac decals on sides. A 1968 El Camino with a Hot Wheels Speed Shop decals on sides and 5-spoke black rims, with some slight red effect on rims. A new Car Culture Premium Display Set. The cars in a set are a 1991 Nissan Sentra SER, a Honda Civic EG, a 1995 Celica GT4 and a Fleet Street. And the last car for today's episode is a 2023 Dodge Viper RT10 in Zemek version with some Hot Wheels decals on sides, with blue glass and interior. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for more.